woke up late with my hair a mess, spilled my coffee